Hi, my name is Valentina Rojas, and in this video, I'm going to talk about photojournalism. What is photojournalism? Photojournalism is a journalism that is dedicated to expose images or pictures that behind those can tell us a story without the necessity without the necessity that someone else relating us a story or communicate the new through the explicit way or oral communication.
Sí, claro, claro.
There are several types of photojournalism. In this case, I'm going to talk about the feature journalism that that basically through the pictures or images can reflect a human interest and a real human experience. That also it allows that the reader or the viewer get get a get easily a sense and understand the story behind the image without knowing about the places or about the people, about the person behind these images or pictures.
Claro.
One example of photojournalist is Sebastiao Salgado. Sebastiao Salgado is a famous Brazilian social documentary photographer and photojournalist. He worked on many stories through the essence of photography, traveling around the world in continents such as Africa, Africa, Europe, and Latin America. That his main purpose is to show the human vulnerability and his natural environment and with the men. His famous works and projects are like Otras Américas, Sahel, Le Homme en Détresse, Workers, and Migrations. For example, in this case, this is the most representative and well-known picture by Sebastiao Salgado. In this case, this work is called By Gold Fever, and as you can see in the picture, there are so many people. Working in a gold mine in Brazil. And the interesting in the photo is that these people are climbing stairs while they are load in the shoulders packs of gold. In other hand, if you ask me if you were a photojournalist, what category would you like to work and why? I think that the category of photojournalist that I would like to work is the sports photojournalist, because I would like to feel the energy and feel the connection with the athletes, and especially the connection that public gives to him or to her. In other hand, if you could choose another subcategory of photojournalism, which one would it be and why? I consider that in this case, as you can see, the category of environmental photojournalism, because in personal way, it's a cruel
el lunes
aspect that
muy
are
lejos
affecting
y Tomás pues tiene unas
all
ganas de
all
beber
about
whisky, claro.
all us, sorry, all us, and it's a aspect that we have to change, and we have to worry as human. And finally, what did I learn during the elaboration of the English project? In personal way, I consider that I learned so much. Sorry.
Así es. Bueno,
I learned so much about photojournalism. Honestly, I didn't know before about what is photojournalism and the important work that this aspect have in the this work have in a society. Second, what was the most enriching aspect during the process? I think the most enriching is that I can I can learn about the experience. I can about the experience by others. Sorry. Um, Also, through the feedback that my partners give given us, we can change knowledge and learn new experience and new things. And finally, how I can apply this project's process and learning aspects in my academic interdisciplinary process. I study political science, and for me, it's important because I feel a connection with the future photojournalist, because through the sense or the human or the real human connection, I can be able to learn about the experience by others, and learn to build a new world through my experience and my opportunities that I have to change that. Bye.